The world is expected to add more than 2 trillion square feet of new building space by 2060. That's the equivalent of adding another New York City every month for the next 40 years. Many of these buildings will be made using cement, a massive emitter of greenhouse gases. But a company in Canada discovered an innovative way to reduce cement's carbon footprint.
The effects of climate change are going to happen. We're seeing it every day. But this is a solvable problem. Our industry can decarbonize. Cement is the glue, it's the active ingredient in making concrete, and is the product that we build modern society with.
People often ask, what is the difference between cement and concrete? Cement is really the chemistry behind concrete. A simple analogy would be if you're baking a cake, the flour would be the cement and the cake would be the concrete, the finished product.
To make concrete, you dig up limestone from the ground and then you run that through a kiln. Each pound of limestone that you put into this kiln, 1/2 goes up into the atmosphere as CO2. CarbonCure is a technology company helping concrete producers transition into the new low-carbon economy. We developed a technology that bolts on to an existing concrete plant. We're starting with a greenhouse gas, a harmful waste product, and we're turning that into value. We add a small amount of CO2 to react with the chemistry from cement that allows you to create a higher strength concrete. Carbon utilization is not just some abstract idea. It's not just happening in the lab. It's happening in the real world.
The concrete industry has worked for years on sustainability, and so now we're looking for new technology. And CarbonCure sequesters that CO2 into the concrete, locks it in forever.
Then you can actually lower the amount of cement in that concrete. It's really taken hold, and it's building real things that we can live in and drive on every single day with overpasses and roads, airports, aquariums, or it could even be tech campuses. CarbonCure is on a mission to reduce 500 megatons of CO2 emissions per year. That is the equivalent of taking 100 million cars off the road, or the equivalent of the CO2 reductions from 500 million acres of trees annually.
We're finding in the marketplace, both with our customers and internally, people are proud to work for someplace that is taking care of the environment.
I'm doing it for my family. I'm doing it for my daughter. There's a real human toll to climate change, but absolutely the solutions are there.